Hello my dear students. Now we are going to discuss ninth polynomial last exercise problems. So the problems are suppose given 2x squared plus y squared this thing. This is a somewhat doubt problem. So for the first one we are going to use that expansion x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 2xy plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx equal to totally x plus y plus z the whole square. This thing we are going to use. So for that, here I am going to use this thing as per the form. So 2x the whole square. Now how to write the 2 in the form of the whole square? So I am going to write what is for x value or what is for y value, what is for z value exactly. For that I can write this one is root 2 into x, because root 2 the whole square is value 2. So root 2 into x square, root 2 the whole square into x square plus y square plus 8. 8 how can we write then the whole square form? So 8 we need to write 2 root 2 the whole square. So that is 2 squared into root 2 the whole square. So 2 squared value root 2 the whole square value 2. So 8. 8 we can write 2 root 2 the whole square. So 2 root 2 into z the whole square. Okay, write this thing. Next we need to consider the sign. The sign is first one is minus. So x into y is given. Where we need to put this minus? X first term or second term or third term. This is the important. So go to the second options. Here minus. That is in x and y product we have minus, and y into z there is no minus. So definitely y and z. Here plus no, definitely minus into minus may be plus, but here there is no minus, plus given. So y and z not possible. Suppose we consider as positive. X is negative means y is positive. So negative into positive it's negative. Negative into positive it's negative. So this negative where it's possible like that. Suppose you may think that y and z both are negative. Here x into y, no, x is already negative, y is also negative means negative into negative positive, but here negative given. So where it's negative, either in first one or second one or third one, where we want to put the negative sign using the last three terms. Here x into y, so definitely x or y should be negative. Then come to y z. Y and z positive, no. So definitely y is positive, z is positive. So here x is negative, like that choose. If x is negative means we are going to compare with 2 into x into y form. So 2 already given. So already 2 is given. So minus no. So for that we need to put plus 2 into root 2 into x. Already root 2 into x. So root 2 into x. Next into y. Because of this one. The next plus 2 into, just write like that, 2 into remaining no 4 we can write 2 into 2, that is 4 root 2 we can write 2 into 2 then root 2. So already 2 remaining 2 root 2. So we need y. So just we can write 2 into root 2 and y is z. This is the second one. Then plus, here already need to write a negative, no, where it's negative, already put negative, so also negative. Then 8, 2 we need to split, so 2 into 2, x into z, this one. Now we need to use which one is a, which one is b and which one is c. So for that here I am going to choose negative sign for the first one. So that's why I am going to write this one is minus root 2 into x the whole square. Here plus y square plus 2 root 2 z the whole square minus and put it here also use negative sign in inside. So plus 2 into minus root 2x into y. Here also I am not going to introduce any minus. So plus 2 into the place of y, y. In the place of z, except this y, we have 2 root, no? So you can write 2 root 2 into z. Next plus 2 into, so already you have root 2 x, root 2 into x. So we have root 2 into x. So minus root 2 into x. Next root 2 into x. How to write this root 2? So I am going to split any 2 in the form of root 2 into root 2. So here I am going to split this to as root 2 into root 2. Now just 2 root 2 in x in z, just root 2 in x. So like that you can split. So that is this step. I am going to use 2 into root 2 into y z, sorry. The things are given. Last one 8, no. So 8 I am going to write 2 into 2 x into z. Now I am going to split this root 2 as root 2 into root 2 x z. Now you can write root 2 into x is first term. Then 2 root 2 into z is second term. Like that split over 2 as root 2 into root 2. So minus root 2 x, then remaining 2 root 2 already written, this one, this root 2 x written, then 2 root 2 z, 2 root 2 z, like that split. So this is the important part, because we are going to split our 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Here already 2 AB, so further remove this 2. And the next time I am going to split 2 into root 2 into root 2 for this 2 alone, because root into root 2. Now we know that the root 2 in x place, 2 root 2 in z place. So write as it is in the place where for x and where for y. So now we can write this one is your negative sign in first x, no. So you can use this identity. So that is minus root 2 into x plus y, then plus in the place of z 2 root 2 z, the whole square. This one is different. So this is the reverse process of your identity. So you can use the reverse process. Similarly, we are going to solve next problems.